Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, let's talk about property jargons. What are all the property jargons we keep hearing like SPA, MOT, DSR, LAD? So let's break it down and I hope you guys can have a better understanding about all of this. Alright, let's get into it. So the first one is SPA or SNP. It basically means Sales and Purchase Agreement. It's between you, the buyer, and the seller that signs an agreement to say that this is a contract and I'm buying it from you. Next one is MOT and IOT. What is it? It basically means Memorandum of Transfer or Instrument of Transfer. This is a stamp duty that you pay to LHDN. It's quite a big sum. Alright, I will show you guys how to calculate in the next video regarding the cost of ownership, all the costs and all the hidden costs that you would actually have to bear when you buy a property and when you own it throughout your life. Next one is LA or LO. It means loan agreement or loan offer. It's by the bank. It's an agreement between you and the bank saying that you agree to take up this loan and pay this amount for the next certain years. Next one is DSR, debt service ratio. This means how much debt you have or how much monthly payments you have versus how much income you have. So if your monthly salary is 10,000 and your commitment every month is 7,000, that means your DSR is 70%. So banks would look at this as a rough idea or a rough gauge to see if you can afford your next property. Alright? So maximum you can go is about 80% or 90%. This one is not a financial tip, but you have to follow what your budget is. Banks would stretch your loan out. Once they are desperate to get loans and hit their KPIs, they will actually stretch it out to 90 or 95% of your DSR. But the banks don't know what other commitments you have. The banks can only see commitments such as credit card, personal loans, car loans, housing loans. These are the basic ones. They don't know how much you pay for your insurance, for your monthly utility bills. They don't know. So just because the banks give you the loan doesn't mean you can afford it. Please double check. The next one is CCC, which is Certificate of Completion and Compliance. It means that a new condo or a new project, basically, before you get your keys, they would actually have to be certified that it's safe for occupation. So basically, like the Majlis and a few other independent companies as well will actually go and check whether it meets all the requirements, the BOMBA requirements, the TNB requirements, Majlis requirements, and whether the building is up to spec. Once the developer gets the cert, only then they can pass you your keys. And the day that they pass you your keys, that is called VP, Vacant Possession. That is the day you get your keys. Next is DLP. So it's Defect Liability Period. This is only offered by developers when their projects are new. So once you get your key, 2 years from that date is your warranty period. So basically you have warranty on your property. For example, if your window is loose, it's not working, your aircon is not working, there are cracks, leaks, the tiles feel hollow. So all of this actually you can claim from their warranty. Don't worry, the defect check companies will be very thorough and they'll check everything. Please remember this. Do not call the contractor before you do your defect check. Alright, next is LAD, and a lot of you guys I know don't know about this. It means Liquidated Ascertained Damages. So what it means is if the project or your house, the day you get your key, was late, basically that means that the developer has to give you liquidated damages, a certain sum of money. Usually it's based on about 10% per annum, depending on the house price. Roughly it'll be like maybe 50 ringgit a day late charges. If it's late by 100 days, so it's 100 times 50 ringgit a day, so it's about 5,000. So that's how much you can get paid. Next one is JMB. JMB or MC. It means Joint Management Body or Management Corporation. So once you get your keys, there will be the developer team that will be stationed at the property, and they are the ones who will be managing the entire compound, such as the cleaning, the guards, everything. So we pay the maintenance fees to them and they will maintain everything. According to law, they can only stay there for 2 years. After that, the residents have to form a joint management body. So the residents will be the one collecting the maintenance fee and managing the place. So how they want to spend the money, they want to repaint the building or add more toilets or add another swimming pool, that's up to the JMB. Alright, next would be MRTA, MLTA. What is this? A lot of people get confused. So in a nutshell, MRTA means Mortgage Reducing Term Assurance and MLTA means Mortgage Level Term Assurance. So it's basically insurance that you buy to protect yourself or basically your loan. So MRTA is sold by the banks. MLTA, you buy it from insurance companies. So yeah, I will link the video that I did about MRTA versus MLTA, the pros, the cons, what is it, what are the benefits, do you need it, and which one is right for you. Yeah, it's in the link below, so just check it out and let me know if you have any comments. So the next one is not exactly a jargon, but it's kind of a slang. It's called Undercon, so which means under construction. That means this is an undercon property. So yeah, some people use it, some people don't use it. Some people say new project. Another one would be subsales. So subsales means you're buying the property from someone else. Someone else has owned it before and you're buying it from them. So yeah, in subsales, there's usually earnest deposit. Earnest deposit means booking, so which will be about 3% of your property price. Yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys get a better understanding about what the property jargons are in Malaysia. Do let me know if I missed out on anything. Please write them down in the comments below. Maybe I'll make another one in the future for the ones that I missed out. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video. Peace out.